Welcome to the world's greatest culinary competition, Young Chef Olympiad 2019, designed for the world's best culinary students, hosted by the IIHM, International Institute of Hotel Management in association with IHC, International Hospitality Council, UK. 55 participating countries were divided into 6 groups at the official draw held at Westminster Kingsway College in London. The opening ceremony will take place at the magnificent Takatora Stadium on 28 January 2019. All groups will be competing in the first 2 rounds from Delhi, Pune, and Bangalore. All 55 countries will fly down to Calcutta for finals, plate trophy competition, and lastly the grand closing ceremony, which will take place on 2 February 2019. Uganda in Group F will have round 1 and 2 cook-offs in Bangalore. The finals will be held in Kolkata.
Hi, my name is Chef Henry. I am the director at the Cooking School Uganda. We are based here in Ntinda. At the Cooking School, we pride ourselves in the sense of creativity and excellency. For example, in our class today, our students have been learning how to work with different types of rice. It's just one item, but done in different ways. That's why you see a different variety of rices here. And here, the instructor has been demonstrating, and the students have been able to exhibit that which they have seen their instructor exhibit here. It is a dessert, as you can see. At the Cooking School, we take it upon ourselves to make sure that by the time you're rolling out, you're fully equipped with the necessary skill and techniques to go out there and make it a success in whatever section of the culinary industry that you're going to take. Feel free to come and join us or visit our website www.thecookingschooluganda.com and you get all the details and all the information. We shall be expecting.
With us is Rem Rembo from the Cooking School Uganda as a Cheftestant at the greatest international culinary competition. Uganda mentor Ahabwe Sheila is here to spearhead the team to victory.
Hi, I'm Chef Henry, Director at the Cooking School Uganda. At the moment, we are very excited about the forthcoming Young Chef Olympiad, and our very own Rem will be representing us, and we are looking forward to the success. So from me, the Director, the entire staff of the Cooking School Uganda, and the students, we want to wish Rem the best of success and luck. And Rem, we're looking forward to you coming home with the success, the joy, and all the victory. We wish you the best.
We wish the team all best for YCO 2019, the greatest culinary competition in the world for culinary students.